Hey friends, spring is coming here to upstate New York, and the snow is melting, the geese are flying over, the sun is out. It just feels like change is in the air. And it is here for Goodrich Aviation and Custom Aircraft Builders. We're moving. We're going to move from Hangar 2 on the west ramp of the Binghamton Airport over to Hangar 1, and we're really excited about this opportunity. It's a huge hangar, and we're going to have lots of flexibility. For our build center especially, we're going to have some heated and air-conditioned build rooms, and it's going to be a great spot for our maintenance operation, our flight school, and our sling dealership. So we're really excited to move over here and get started in Hangar 1. If you're a member of the Goodrich Flying Club or part of our flight training program, stay tuned to Facebook and watch your email. We're going to be communicating and letting you know some information on access to the building and security things as we kind of go through this transition over here. So we'll be letting you know, but we're going to have all those details worked out soon, and it's just going to be a great hangar to be in. This building used to be a maintenance facility for a U.S. Airways commuter airline. They used to work on de Havilland Dash 8s here, and so it's really well equipped for aircraft maintenance and some of the things that we do. I can't take you inside yet because it needs a little cleanup and a little remodeling. There hasn't been a lot going on over here for a number of years. So we're going to kind of do that first before we take you inside and show you what it's like. But we're really excited to get moving over here and start our operation from here at the north ramp at the Binghamton Airport. It's really easy to locate this building. There's a great big water tower right behind the hangar, so it's really easy to locate. And this summer they're going to be putting in self-serve fuel right in right next to the hangar here. So if you fly in to visit us, you'll be able to get some gas really easily right here at the self-serve fuel island. So appreciate you watching this video. Certainly subscribe so you can get more updates to the things we're doing here at Goodrich Aviation, the Goodrich Pilot Training Center, and at Custom Aircraft Builders. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.